Title: ɡlɑːs, a unique perspective. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word ɡlɑːs. While ɡlɑːs itself is not a common word, it can be used in various contexts to describe something that has been covered or enclosed with glass. It's a term that signifies a particular perspective. Pronunciation: pronouncing ɡlɑːs is simple ɡlɑːs, with a soft G and a short A. Use in a sentence. For example, the glassed observation deck offered a breathtaking view of the city skyline from all angles. Importance: glassed spaces or objects provide unique opportunities for observation, protection, and aesthetics, depending on the context in which it's used. Conclusion: in summary, ɡlɑːs is a word that represents the beauty of perspectives framed by glass. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, embrace the distinctive views offered by glassed environments and objects.